Stop using outdated investing apps. These 7 apps are beating the market in 2026, and beginners are using them right now. Welcome to Smart Money Lab.
Here are the top 7 investing apps for beginners.
Number 7. Robinhood. Simple interface for beginners. Number 6. Illweeble. Great for learning charts. Number 5. eToro.
But this one has a hidden fee.
Number 4. Fidelity.
Low fees and long-term investing. Number 3. Grow.
Perfect for beginners in India.
Number 2. Zerodha Kite. Low fees and powerful tools. Number 1. Coinbase. Best for crypto beginners. Here's what most beginners don't know. You don't need all 7 apps. Start with 1 and grow slowly. Subscribe to Smart Money Lab for smart investing tips.